Hi, here is the Pentax Espio 80V overall conditions, and here's the battery compartment. You just use this to open it using one CR123 battery. Okay, then you just pull down here to open the back cover. Inside will be like this. Next step, you need to slide the film to let it make sure that the motor is fit into the center part of the canister like this. And okay, make sure that your film is flat, then you just close it and you'll be able to load. When here show figure 1, which means that you can start shooting right now. Here is the power button, okay, and here is the zoom. When you view into the viewfinder, there's a dot at the center point, so you just use that dot as an indicator to aim whatever you want to focus and half press. When it's light up like this, which means that it's okay, and you just click it. Yeah. Then if it's like dark places, it will auto on the flash. Yeah. When the environment is bright enough, then it won't trigger the flash. While you also can adjust the setting at here, flash setting. This one is red light reduction, force flash, off the flash, night mode. Then this one is red light reduction with flash and night mode. Then this is fully auto. And here is the timer. By clicking the timer, also same, half press and press it. Then the red light will light up, which means that it has start counting for the timer here. So it's like around 10 seconds like that. Okay, almost there. Okay, then we just click another one. Then this one is landscape mode, which if you auto focus to infinity lah, yeah. Then like this means it's fully auto, and here is the menu rewind button. Normally I wouldn't recommend you just press it up. You just shoot until it auto finish, then it will auto rewind. And here the back is the date function, which it will bring into the outcome of your photo. And if you want to adjust it, at first you click the select button until it blink, then you click adjust to let it goes to the year you want. Then this one is the month. Oops. Then this one is the date. Like that. And you can change the format lah. This one is the date and the time. If you don't want date in printing, you just click again. Like this means it's off. And overall it's like this. And when you didn't use it, off it. And hope you enjoy it.